welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will discuss about the concept of data consistency. At the end of this video, you will be able to explain the concept of data consistency, define database replication, state the features of database consistency. Data consistency refers to a need that the data remains constant in time and can be utilized for various database operations without changing the structure. Database consistency states that only valid data should be written in the database. If the database transaction is executed which is against the rules of database consistency, then the entire transaction gets cancelled. It results that the database can be restored in original state. File system buffers data in a memory of the host. Buffered information then gets written on a disk. The replicas of the disk are created. Before creating a disk replica, the host memory buffers should be flushed to ensure the data consistency. If the file system is unmounted before creating the replica, buffers get automatically flushed out and the data on replica remains consistent. While replicating mounted file system, FSCK or CHRP-DSK level of recovery is required on the replicated file system. FSCK or File System Consistency Check is a system utility tool which is required for checking the consistency of the file system in Windows, Unix and Linux. And CHRP-DSK or Check Disk tool is used to check the consistency in a replicated disk. The last step of data consistency is mounting of replicated disks. After the replication, the disk replica gets mounted for operational use. Now let's understand the process of database replication. Database replication is the frequent electronic data copying from master computer database to another computer databases. Because of this, all users can share the same level of information. Now let's discuss about the risk associated with the database. A database can contain various file systems and devices, so database is open to various risks. Some of the risks are performance degradation, loss of data, connection unavailability. Database consistency is one of the most effective solutions to these risks as the replicated database consistency provides the features of restorability and restartability. The database replication can take place in both the situations as offline and online. The offline database is unavailable for the I/O operations since it is in shutdown state. During this, no updating takes place, so the replicas created in that hour are consistent. The online database is available for I/O operations. Online database receives multiple transactions which keeps on updating the database continuously. In backup of online database, the changes made in database also be applied to its backup copies to maintain the data consistency. Let us have a quick recap on what we discussed. Data consistency refers to a need that the data remains constant in time and can be utilized for various database operations without changing the structure. Database replication is the frequent electronic data copying from master computer database to another computer databases. Database consistency provides the features of restorability and restartability. Thank you for watching this video.